Hey everybody, this is Simon. I chose to do a restaurant, and the name of the restaurant is Teach to Eat. It's essentially a large restaurant where you order your meal and work with the chef to create the meal yourself. So you leave the restaurant with a full stomach and knowledge of how to prepare a meal. So you don't have to prepare the meal when you walk into the restaurant. You can also just have the option to like watch it be prepared or just order some food. So it's totally optional, but it's going to be the main selling point of the restaurant, working with a chef. The location I chose would be where the Domino's and IHOP currently are. I think that area is just like really good because it's on a major highway and there are a lot of people living around it. Um, and it's also close to the side of town where a lot of businesses are, so it would be a really short commute for people to go on their lunch breaks. And the slogan for this restaurant is "Make something spectacular and eat it afterwards." That's it.